If you guys have ever thought about volunteering for a rally, you definitely got to do it. I wish I had been a volunteer marshal years ago. It was so easy to sign up. It took 5 minutes the night before. Then the day of, we all met together, got in a huge convoy, and we actually drove down the rally course, which is just awesome. And then they dropped us off at strategic locations where we need to keep spectators safe and keep other vehicles from getting onto the road. And that's it. And I have been closer to the action today than I have ever been in my life. And if you guys are even on the fence a little bit about volunteering, get off that fence and sign up to volunteer at your next local rally. I'll see you guys then.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive